Striving for perfect batch-to-batch consistency is the ultimate challenge in any commercial kitchen. Today, we will demonstrate the standardized baking process for freshly made egg tarts using this 45L Commercial Convection Oven. Simple and easy to use control panel. Take the pre-assembled egg tarts directly from the freezer. Then, portion the liquid custard filling into each shell individually. Place 3 baking trays into the oven, then securely close the door. The Commercial Convection Oven's key advantage lies in its rear-mounted fan and circular heating elements, which work together to generate a 3D envelopment of hot air. The medium to high fan speed ensures rapid, even heat penetration through each layer, enabling frozen egg tarts to heat synchronously from the outside in, effectively preventing a soggy bottom. Consistent quality from every rack, even browning with a perfectly creamy filling. Consistency engineered for chain operations. Maximize back-of-house efficiency while locking in your signature quality. From frozen to flawless in just one bake, replicating the same success across every location.